Hi and welcome to Souldeliciouz. My name is Joyce.
My name is Tunde.
And we're the founders of Souldeliciouz Limited. Today we're going to talk about our products, which are the sauces, spices,
and a flavored toothpick called Qoolpicks.
Barbecue season is upon us, so today we're going to demonstrate how to use the Suya Spice with chicken today. So here's the Suya Spice here. We already have some chicken thighs already seasoned, ready to go on the barbecue grill. We do have a video of how to use our Suya Spice in the oven at home. You can still do that, but the best result is always on the charcoal barbecue grill. For full recipe, please visit our website. Click on the recipe tab. You will find the video of how to make beef suya. You can follow the same steps, but cook your chicken for 10 to 15 minutes longer.
Now, let's get to the purpose of this video, which is to talk about our other products, which are the sauces and spices plus flavored toothpicks.
Firstly is our jerk seasoning, great for meats and vegetables. Here we have some jerk wings on a barbecue grill.
Next is our barbecue cooking sauce, which can be cooked in various ways: stir-fried, oven, or barbecue grill. Makes a great party addition.
Next is our Souldeliciouz authentic pepper soup spice, which originates from the Niger Delta region of Nigeria. Pepper soup can be enjoyed any time of the year, but most effective during winter to keep out the cold and flu virus.
Next is our curry spice, which is like no other. Our unique blend of curry has been formulated to create so many beloved dishes, such as vegan curry, prawn curry, curry goat, and any dish that requires curry.
Last of our condiments is the Suya Spice, which we already talked about earlier in this video. Here we are making beef suya in an oven, but watch until the end to see how we cook the chicken suya on a barbecue grill.
Now, onto our flavored toothpick called Qoolpicks.
Qoolpicks is all about flavored toothpicks made from the best quality birchwood and 100% edible essential oils, which come in 4 delightful flavors for your chewing and toothpicking experience.
4 delightful flavors are peppermint, cinnamon, strawberry mint, and lemon mint flavors.
Research shows that anyone looking to stop smoking, flavored toothpicks can be used as a substitute for cigarettes. This can help cut down the nicotine cravings, so instead of putting cigarettes in your mouth, you can chew on a Qoolpicks.
Looking for gift ideas? Treat a loved one to our gift box, which comes in all the flavors, plus a sleek toothpick holder.
Now let's get back to the cooking, where Tunde is manning the grill. In this video, we've seasoned 1 kilo of chicken thighs using 4 heaped tablespoons of Suya Spice and 2 cubes of chicken stock. For best results, marinate your chicken overnight. If you do not have a barbecue grill, you can cook inside an oven. On the barbecue grill, you can cook for 30 to 35 minutes.
After chicken is cooked, remove from grill. Chop them up into small pieces.
So delicious, so delicious, so delicious.
For extra heat, sprinkle some more Suya Spice.
So delicious, so delicious, so delicious, so delicious, so delicious food.
Fancy a Qoolpick?
Yes, please.
Delicious.